guys, welcome to CloudyML. Today we are going to see one of our course. I'm going to give you overview about data analytics combo course, which is at 3990 price. And let me show you the overview of this course. First of all, this course is for those people who want to start their career and become data analyst or business analyst, and they want to start from scratch, and that's also hands-on practical learning experience from scratch, and it's a complete roadmap from zero to data analyst, business analyst. And we have 8,000 plus learners who have enrolled in our programs, and they have given their feedbacks, so you can check their feedbacks here on our website also, or on Trustpilot, or even on Quora. Now, what are we covering in this course? Like when you are paying 3,990 rupees, what are you getting in that? First is Python for Data Analytics course, which is worth 2,000 rupees, nearly 1,999. Complete SQL course, which is also worth 1,999. Math and Stats, Tableau, Power BI, Excel course, Amazon QuickSight, Google Data Studio, interview Q&A packages. You will also receive job emails every week, interview Q&A on your mail every day, and this is an offer price right now. You can apply for it. Now, next is main thing is 1-to-1 live doubt clearance support on Skype chat. And this package is to complete become job ready for you. And I have already told you these additional resources, like you will get job referral mails based on your skills and company's requirement, job opening mails, resume review feature, and 1 month unpaid internship opportunity, which can be converted to paid internship based on your learnings, how you have done your task and your skill set. Now, this is it from the website. Now, let me show you the inside view of our course. I have already logged in. Let me go to my course. And this is the complete data analytics, business analytics package. First, you will see the course instruction, how you need to approach it, which is the main thing is ask your mentor section, where you will connect to your mentor. He will create a group for you where you can ask your doubt from 6 p.m. to midnight. This is course instruction video, and this is contact us, where you can contact us through this number and the mail ID. Let me show you Skype view also. Just cancel this. Yes. Yeah. Let me join this on web. Okay, here you can see that you just text here, hi, assigning mentor, and Rahul will assign mentor to you, create a group for you. And this is the how group looks like. You can ask your doubt and you will get the answer within few minutes, being between 6 p.m. to midnight. Now, let's come back here, back to our course, and let me show you other courses. For example, let's say Excel. Hello. Here you can see that we have a tutorial section where you are practicing while watching the video and then attempting quiz after every 10 videos. And at the end, you have this additional topic also. And then after that, you have this Excel certificate test where you will give your quiz. You will pass the test and get the certificate. This is for this Excel course. And then let me show you Power BI course. Here also, like when you enter into it, you have to click on complete and continue, where after that you can go to next lecture. These are the lecture and again quiz here in between the videos, so that you test your learnings. And at the end you have this 4 case studies, and then additional section also, like additional case study, volume data analysis. In total, there are like 5 case studies in Power BI. Similarly, you will see that in Tableau also. And then the main important thing is like you can say how to approach this course. So you can start from Python, and then you can go for analytics tools like Excel, Tableau, Power BI, QuickSight, Google Data Studio, and then you learn SQL. And in between, simultaneously, you can go for math and stats tutorials. Now, let me show you additional job resources. This is one of the main important part where you can submit your resume for review. You can, after finishing courses, you can apply for internship, and you can see career guidance related videos also here. Let me show you one more course, like let's say SQL. So here you have this SQL crash course, which is optional. You can go through it also, or you can go through like the main step-by-step basics of SQL, intermediate of SQL, and advanced SQL, where you have case studies also. So this is about SQL. Let me show you Python also. Hi guys. So in previous, in Python we have this Python tutorial section, first core Python topics, and then we have this Python assignments, where you can just download this file, open it in Google Collaboratory, and code it. Like, and every step you have videos also. This Python tutorial section is add-on. You can skip this also, or you can simply go through the assignment directly, where you have tutorials from scratch, and you watch the tutorial, you attempt the code, and after that you have this Python quiz, and then data science interview Q&A, and then certificate test, which is after every course, so that you can get certificate for each course, and like complete package certificate also, like once you finish all of the courses. So till now I have shown you all the main features of data analytics package, and I have shown you most of the courses here also. For example, one last I would like to show you, like math and stats, where you have this tutorial section on linear algebra, calculus, statistics, linear, and then you have this assignments. So okay guys, besides that, if you have any doubt related to this package, please comment below. I will get back to you. I will answer you there, and you can also connect to us on our number I have shown you. Like that is also in a course also, and you can check this here on our website, or you can email us directly. And the best thing is the package is having lifetime access. So if you buy it right now, you can access it your lifetime whenever you want it, and it will be up to date always. So thank you guys.